Hi, my name is Melinda Colettos. My husband Phil Griffin. Together we're Professor Chef, and we teach you how to play with your food. So tonight we're going to make Phil's favorite pancakes.
My favorite food.
Yeah, pretty much. So we're going to be making banana rum pancakes.
So this is where John Denver.
This doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Sun's coming up. Got cakes on the griddle.
Yeah. All right. Nobody knows that though.
Yes. All right. So I'm gonna start by making some pancakes first, so we can have them cooked by the time we're done making the batter. I'm using an ice cream scoop.
And that pan was hot, and then he put oil in it. He didn't put butter. So remember, hot pan, cold oil, food won't stick. And it doesn't mean cold oil out of the fridge. It just means room temperature oil.
And my pancakes are a little bit different than most. They're a little bit thicker. I like making what they call flapjacks.
Don't overcrowd the pan.
I'm not overcrowding the pan. Okay? And we need this batter up ahead of time because you want to let it sit and rest so all the flavors get melded together. Autolyzation, where it's flour and gluten work together, and we want the baking powder to start making them nice and light.
Yeah. So anytime we make a batter like this, if we're making an apple fritter, clam cake, pancakes, we always let it sit for about 20 minutes. My crepe batter, I put in the fridge and let it sit for 2 hours before I touch it.
So we're gonna get the wet team going. In here we have one.
What team?
Wet team.
Okay, explain what the wet team is.
It's all the wet items.
Okay.
Would that be like liquid and stuff? So a banana I would consider as a wet team. We're mashing it up with the whip. I like my bananas and my banana pancakes to be mushy. I don't like the whole pieces. I like them more mushy. Okay. Then I'm going to add a little bit of cream.
So your recipe would say milk, but we're out of milk, so we're using heavy cream. What the hell?
A little bit of rum. This is really good rum. This is black strap molasses rum.
Now, technically, we shouldn't be wasting a really good rum like this for these pancakes, but he's the rum god, so.
Get that little mix. Oh yeah, baby.
So that's all your wet team. And
a little
now
bit of oil.
comes the dry team.
So that we're going to add a little bit of sugar. Alright, Sarah, you want to come over here for a second? So, I'm going to be flipping the pancakes right now. The reason why I can flip them is I can smell them. I can start to see the bubbles popping around the edges. So the edges are relatively a little bit dry, and they're ready to start flipping.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. I know they are.
You want a fish spatula? Metal one, or you good?
No, I'm good.
Oops. This is a nightmare today.
You know why? Because I'm making cute little pancakes. I normally make one big pancake.
You overcrowded me.
No, I didn't overcrowd them. I have to have enough to eat.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a nightmare. We're having
those look good.
Scrambled pancakes.
I'll just look at those.
So we get the banana in there. Now we're going to add the flour.
Do you need oil?
I already put the oil in.
Okay.
A little bit of baking powder. And away we go.
So
I did not add all the liquid. I'm probably going to need to add more now that I'm looking at it. And you know I am.
Baking powder and baking soda.
Baking powder is a combination of baking soda and baking crema tartar. You need a liquid to get it activated. Baking soda, you need an acid to get it activated.
And when you talk about activated, what are you talking about?
You get the chemicals to start bubbling to make it lighten.
Chemical leavening.
And the reason why we need a liquid in the first one is because the crema tartar is my acid, and when you put liquid with it, that makes it lighter.
I'm surprised you didn't hit it up with more rum.
Yeah, man. I can really smell the rum in these pancakes.
Yeah. Coming along.
I know I'm going to need to add more cream, but I want to get to the consistency like that.
Yeah.
And I didn't measure. I hide
This
everything.
was a big mistake. But.
Yeah, that's all right. So we're gonna put that to the side because we're about ready to start eating these almost.
Mm.
Almost.
Almost. Bye. Yeah, that one looks like it might be done.
Yeah, they're done.
I didn't hear them.
They're done.
They're done? Yeah, they are.
And then we're gonna put a little bit of fufu in them.
See, foo-foo. Ah,
Didn't work,
no,
did
it
it?
didn't work. I didn't get
No
it.
fufu.
No
We're not
fufu.
doing too good today.
Us.
Yeah, see?
We're back. We're tired.
No, we're not.
I'm tired. And a little bit of maple syrup. So this is a product. We met these people at a craft fair.
Excuse me.
Sorry, we met these people at a craft fair, and oops, they make something called maple cream. So I'm just going to open this up, and there you go. It's kind of like cream honey, but a little bit more liquid, and it's just chock full of flavor. It's absolutely delicious. So we could put that on there too, or just the regular maple syrup.
All right, you want to bring the bread over from last night?
Yeah, but one more thing. So I want you to take a look at these bananas. These are actually perfect.
Yeah, they are.
The bananas ripen when they come off the tree. So for a banana to ripen, they cut off the whole big thing of bananas, and then they ripen after they come off the tree. But one way that you can stop them from going ripe too fast is we always put saran wrap around the end of the banana.
Mhm.
Now, how old are these?
They're about 3 weeks old.
They're about 3 weeks
There's,
old.
and there's nothing wrong with putting bananas in a refrigerator.
Yeah,
They're
but
gonna-
they
they're
will
gonna-
turn black.
They will turn brown, but they're perfectly fine. And when bananas are this color or maybe even darker, freeze them as is. They are perfectly good to use in baking. They're also good for a substitution if you wanted ice cream. You can puree them and
Oh,
make
yeah.
ice cream with them. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a nice substitute for a lot of different things.
But this is a cool tip, and I'm starting to see this in some grocery stores. They're wrapping
That
it.
reminds me of another song, Jim Croce.
Oh no,
30,000 pounds
No,
of bananas.
no,
Look
no.
it up.
Yeah, I understand. Look.
I am. So that we're cooking these, making bigger ones now because.
Oh, you know what you forgot to put in? The egg.
Oh, that's what I'm missing.
Forgot the egg.
The egg, yeah, one egg goes in also.
Anyway, we're a hot
We're-
mess tonight.
we're
We
not
are
doing
an
good tonight.
absolute hot mess. Want to talk about this?
All right.
So, go ahead.
This is the stuff that we made with the rye in the wild yeast mixture.
Right. This was the wild yeast bread.
So
You know,
we made last
we made yeast all week, and then this is the regular recipe that we use.
So this is a little bit darker. They both have a really nice crumb. This one's a little bit denser, but the more we use this,
Yeah.
the better it's going to be.
So I loved the taste of this. You weren't thrilled with it.
Yeah, but I'm not a big rye fan either.
Yeah. So I'm getting a nutty rye. I love it.
And this is how we store the starter. I put a little paper towel over the top. If you can look at that, that's actually gorgeous. And a week later from now, I'm going to have to make another batch of bread or feed it and get it going like we did before.
So basically what we did was, after we made the wild yeast, we put all of that into the no-knead bread recipe, and made the batter, or the dough. And right before we put it in the vessel to cook, we saved some of it.
But you can do it vice versa. You can make
Yeah.
up your batter and you can put it back in the mason jar and put it in the refrigerator. And I put the paper towel on it so it has a chance to breathe, but if it overflows, it's on the paper towel, not
Yeah.
all over the refrigerator.
Exactly.
I've been known to have that happen.
Yes.
Alright, so now the most important part. Get to eat these. I love these.
You proud of yourself?
Bananas. And I can taste the rum because we didn't cook it out that much.
All right. So we ready? Talk
Yep.
about tomorrow? Say it again? No. Okay. So we're going to make crab rangoon tomorrow. And they're really simple. You'll be kind of shocked by at least one of the ingredients in them.
They're not anything Asian about them at all.
No, nothing at all. I have a girlfriend, she's from China, Hailing, and she said, "Oh, do you ever teach the Asian classes?" I was like, "Yeah, we do." I said, she goes, "What are you cooking?" I said, "Crab rangoon," and she says, "What's that?" But anyway, it's a staple around the Americas and Chinese American restaurants. So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow night live at 5 with crab rangoon. Bye.
Ciao.